Sleeping on the right pillowcases can lead to better hair days, and it can also be better for your skin. We found satin pillowcases from Madison White that can help tame bedhead and keep hair looking shiny. Satin lets hair and skin glide across the smooth surface, so your hair stays smooth and your face stays free from sleep creases. For a healthier complexion, the organic bamboo pillowcase is a breathable and cleaner choice. It's naturally antibacterial to thwart germs and dirt. And because it's hypoallergenic, it's extra gentle on sensitive skin. These pillowcases are embroidered with each day of the week to ensure you're sleeping on fresh bedding every night, free of dirt and oil buildup. Maker Kamela Hurley researched and tested many types of satin before she DIY'd her own pillowcase. And she was amazed to wake up without bedhead. She thought her face looked refreshed, too. She started making pillowcases with an exclusive blend of satin fabric to help others give their hair and skin the benefit of a good night's sleep.